Hello, Clinton High School. This is the end of your closer routine. Suzanne, one of our Greenbrier girls, is helping me demonstrate this for you. We've just finished the supercalifragilistic part, and now we are going into the drum break. We are going to start with a slam series. So you will do a front slam on count 1. These need to be real strong and pop. You will hold 2. On 3, you will go back to right shoulder, hold 4. On 5, you will do a rear slam. Notice Suzanne's left arm, how it makes a nice straight box in front of her face. Then on 7, you go back to right shoulder. No, I'm sorry, I believe that's 9. You go back to right shoulder.
No, 9's right slam.
Sorry, that was 7. Thank you, Suzanne. 9 is a right slam. Notice her nice hip shoulder angle and where that puts her left hand. On 11, you go back to right shoulder. On 13, you do a left slam. You want to do these feet if they fit into your drill. If not, you can just stay facing forward, but see how that ended up under her right arm. Then on 15, you go back to right shoulder. After our slam series, we're going to do a presents series. You're going to start, I think I call this angle series on your sheet. Suzanne's turning sideways so you can see, but you would remain facing front for this. You'll start with a front present. Notice her right arm straightens out at an angle. That'd be count 1. On count 3, you come back to right shoulder. Count 5, you do a rear present. Look at how her left arm just straightened out the pole. You want to make sure this stays on top of your head. If you get lazy with this, it'll end up down by your right ear. Suzanne, show us lazy. And it changes the look of this. You want it up on top of your head. Okay, then we go back to right slam on count 7. We're going to do a right present, nice hip shoulder 45-degree angle on count 9, back to right slam on 11, right shoulder, left present on 13, back to right shoulder on 15. That takes us through our slam series and our angle series. Now we're going to do a box, but we're going to do it in A's and B's. So we'll show you the A part first. On count 1, the A's will go flat. Your silk is on the left. Your left hand goes to the top stopper. Count 3 will lift that flat. Make sure you keep it parallel to the ground overhead. 5, it'll come back down. 7, it'll go back to right shoulder. Then the A's will hold. So let me show you that A8. Here we go, A's. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The B's will do the same work, but their counts will be different. B's will hold 1 through 8. On 9, they will go flat. 9, hold 10, lift up on 11, hold 12, back down on 13, hold 14, right shoulder on 15, hold 16. So let me see the B work. 5, 6, 7, hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Very good. After the drum break, you have a tempo change. You've ended the drum break at right shoulder. So as the drum major counts you off, you will slowly come down to right slam. While they're counting off, I believe there's a whistle and then a count. So the whistle will be kind of get your attention, and the count will bring you down to right slam. This repeats the music from the very beginning of the show, so we're going to repeat the work. You start with the very strong popped boxes that do right shoulder flat. I'm sure you remember this work. Then you had some A-B work. A's did Blue Devils, toaster turn, behind head, and it rotated horizontally. Then the B's do that exact thing. After that, there was a 4-count hold, which we will keep. Then you have A's up to right shoulder, B's up to right shoulder, bolo, and ends up in right slam. Then you do similar work again. This is measure 71. Let's go ahead and go through this. A's go up to right shoulder on count 1 and hold 2. B's go up to right shoulder on count 3 and hold 4. We will do a bolo 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. In the original work, you did another bolo. We're omitting that now because the phrasing's a little different. So you will do a double butterfly 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Then we're going to do add-on drop spins. This needs to be a 3-part grouping, which you had, I believe, on your rowboats at the very beginning. It probably needs to be the same parts, but it may change in the drill. That'll be up to Mr. Wells. So your A's will start drop spinning. 1, 2, 3, 4. They'll keep going while the B's will join them. 5, 6, 7, 8. Then the C's will join them. 9, 10, 11, 12, and everybody will do a bolo. 13, 14, 15, 16. You want to make sure this one is really big and extended in your right arm so that you get a lot of contrast with all those drop spins that you just did. After that, we're going to start like a drop spin, down on 1, money on 2. You hold on 3. 4 is going to come down. And you want this to be really strong because it's a prep to release a pole toss on 5, which you will catch on 7. Let's look at the pole toss again. Ready? Starts looking like a drop spin. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Your left hand really has to do a lot of work on 4. Your left hand pulls the flag down to put the momentum on it. Make sure on 5 that you release with your right arm straight up in the air, very extended. A good way to practice this is air flagging it. Why don't you show them that, Suzanne? You're at right shoulder. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look at her arms. That's where everybody's arms should be when they release. That right arm straight up in the air, and her left arm flew down to her side. Thank you, Suzanne. Pick up your flag. You'll release on 5. You'll catch on 7. And you'll hold at right shoulder 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You just stay in the same place. After that, we're going to do a rowboat to the left. Everybody together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now a rowboat to the right. 5, 6, 7, 8. 9, it will come down like a drop spin. 9, 10 is money. 11 is down. 12 is right slam. You're going to spin on the ball of your right, which foot? Left foot very quickly. 13, 14, 15. And that needs to pop up to 15. You notice coming out of that spin, Suzanne's feet are in 4th position. Don't try to close them. You won't have time. 13, 14, 15, 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Make sure that's a nice strong pop up to right shoulder.